Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to fix the Cluely AI app if it is not working. First, check the Cluely AI server status. Sometimes the app does not work because the servers are down. Open your browser and search for Cluely AI server status. You can also visit a site like Down Detector to see if other users are facing similar problems. If the servers are down, wait for a while and try again later. If the servers are working fine, the next step is to close Cluely AI completely. Sometimes the app keeps running in the background even after you close it, which can cause it to stop responding. Open the Task Manager. You can do this by pressing the keys Control, Shift and Escape on your keyboard. In the Task Manager window, go to the Processes tab. Scroll through the list and look for any process with the name Cluely AI or something similar. Once you find it, click on it and then select End Task from the bottom right corner. This will completely stop Cluely AI from running in the background. After closing all Cluely processes, the next step is to reinstall the app. Sometimes files get corrupted, and reinstalling can fix this. Go to your computer's control panel by searching for it in the Start menu and clicking to open it. Once the control panel is open, click on Uninstall a program under the Program section. In the list of installed programs, find Cluely AI, right-click on it, and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. After Cluely AI has been removed, open your web browser and go to the official Cluely website. Download the latest version of the Cluely AI app from there and install it again on your computer. After the installation is complete, restart your computer and open Cluely AI again. It should now work properly without errors or crashes. Thanks for watching.